Closer to our destination. So watch out for some of the branches, but there's the volcano.
This week we went volcano boarding in Cerro Negro, just outside of Leon, Nicaragua.
That's gonna be a good day.
Yeah. Nope. We joined up with Volcano Day Nicaragua, which is a 100% Nicaraguan-owned volcano tour company. After meeting up with our shuttle, it took about 40 minutes to drive out to the Sierra Leone volcano and get entrance into the park.
And you were worried it wasn't air conditioned.
Yeah, it's gonna be breezy. So, here we are in the streets of Leon, Nicaragua. We are traveling by bus. Our children have stopped fighting because we're finally on our adventure together. These two have getting along like crazy. It's been wonderful. The town is not scary at night. I couldn't walk farther than the block because it got dark. There was no lights. And now we're driving through town to go to our volcano tobogganing trip.
Oh, we gotta get gas before we go.
Everybody kick in 20 bucks. Does it look inside the volcano? Getting close. You're all scratching every once in a while.
Sorry, Grandma, we're not safe.
Never safe. I got my arms around it. There's somebody shooting down it already. There's no way. Is that what we're doing? No way. Maybe we overdid it. We'll see. Excited? How do you know fast or slow? Picking my ride for the day. Gonna be ripping it up or ripping it down. Side of that mountain there, but it's not even a mountain, bro. It's a volcano. Let's go.
Low to medium difficulty. All right, here we go. Avid BC hikers, where are we at?
I would consider this a moderate hike. The problem is that the heat really gets to you. So if you're not dressed for the heat or prepared for the heat with lots of water, this is going to be a tough one.
Still call him board Sherpa.
Here I am, board chirping. Eloise is bored. It is kind of heavy. Whatever. It's all good.
It's not like it's plywood.
Hey Eloise, we're like not even close. Not even close, Shayla. Not even close. Here I am. 2, 3. It was too easy. Let's go.
Not medium to moderate, mild. Mild to moderate is what they call this hike. There's no way. Just so it's clear, it says do not enter.
We're in Nicaragua.
For the record, this was active in 1999.
Graduation year, baby. Let's go. Put it. In it. Not on it. In it. We had to go this way because there was a medical emergency and they didn't want us walking by the medical emergency. So they sent us through the prohibited zone, which is in the volcano.
In a volcano.
In a volcano. Oh, normal.
It's smoking.
You got a video of that?
Yes.
Ah, it's a volcano. It's smoking. That's
No big deal.
That's
Sorry, Gail.
turn? Yeah.
We dress up here, and then we go downstairs.
We go downstairs? Yeah.
And then having fun and stuff.
We do this on snow.
Wait, this wasn't the fun part?
No, this was the
Don't move.
funny, but the funniest is here.
Hey, Eloise.
Excited?
Woo!
Nervous?
You know when we say we should toboggan down that hill? We're tobogganing down that hill, bro. Alright, so in case you're wondering, you're going down, you can slow down. It's not this. This is rapido, Shayla. Rapido.
Oh, and look at
Rapido. There you go, bro. We're serious. We're about to drop this sucker. All right, here we go.
We're all watching.
Oh, you're a punk.
Mass.
Yo, I'm cooking. Well, I made it. I survived. The goggles don't really work at all. I don't know what they're doing. What happened, bro?
I don't know, it was really bad.
Is that Eloise? She's cooking.
That's not fair, I really need.
How was that? Laurel had a broken sled or something.
Wasn't it?
Mine did not go.
Scary.
No?
It wasn't that scary.
You good?
Oh, get over.
How was Eloise?
Good.
She's cooking. Look at Eloise, she's cooking. I think her and I went the fastest. Yeah, mine too. I couldn't see anything.
Shortly after finishing, the rain came down, but we would highly recommend that you book your volcano boarding with Volcano Day. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can keep sharing our amazing adventures.